We're here today to celebrate with our apprentice class of 2017 and 2018. We've two fantastic groups of apprentices and we wanted to get them together to congratulate them and to wish them well in their future careers.
The engineering team are the foundation of Aer Lingus, and airlines need aeroplanes, and keeping those aircraft in excellent working order, well, it's fundamental to our safety culture, it's core to a smooth operation, and then that allows all our other colleagues to get on with giving our customers the service that we're renowned for.
So I suppose it all began back in May 2018 when I applied for the apprenticeship. I like the thought of learning and being hands-on and learning while you earn as well. That was a big bonus for me. I'm based in Hangar 6. Hangar 6 is where the aircraft will be brought in and out for HX. Every day is different in Hangar 6. You don't know what you could be faced with. Out on the line, it's more a fast-paced environment. Line maintenance is where the aircraft comes in and out from stand, so where passengers will get on and off. You're dealing with captains, you're dealing with crew, passengers. It's very enjoyable, it's a good place to be, and it's busy. There's a good vibe around the place. It's great crack. We've a great apprenticeship year, especially my year of 2018. There was 20 of us and we all got on so well. And in the hangar as well, it's great crack to be around.
I joined Aer Lingus as an apprentice in 1982. I think personally that it's a fantastic career for people. These are two really good classes. They've really done well and they've all come out really great qualifications. We're really proud of them and we're delighted that they all stayed with us and they've taken on full-time roles with us here in Aer Lingus Maintenance.
Aer Lingus has got such a long, proud history, and looking forward, we want to be the heart of travel to, through, beyond Ireland for generations to come. And key to that is bringing in new talent, developing that talent, and the apprentices are such an important part of that. I'm delighted with how far the apprentices have progressed and an amazing start to their careers. And I just hope they're really proud of what they've achieved.